PiranhaMAX 4 Fish Finder. Simple, portable, and incredibly accurate. Ever felt frustrated scanning the water endlessly, unsure where the fish are hiding? You're not alone. Many anglers struggle with guessing depth, structure, and fish location. Drop a comment if this sounds familiar, because the Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4 makes it simple to locate fish, read underwater terrain, and gain confidence on every small boat or kayak trip. Fishing trips can be stressful when you waste hours without a bite, or worse, get lost in unfamiliar waters. Imagine if there was a way to see exactly where fish are hiding, measure depths accurately, and get reliable alerts, without complicated electronics or long setup times. The PiranhaMAX 4 offers all this in a compact, beginner-friendly package. Meet the Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4, an entry-level, dual-beam fish finder designed to make your fishing trips smarter and more productive. Its 4.3-inch color LCD screen displays sharp, clear visuals in various lighting conditions, while the dual-beam sonar covers both wide areas and detailed spots beneath your boat. The Fish ID feature identifies likely targets, so beginners can quickly learn which blips mean fish. Depth and fish alarms ensure you never miss a bite. Tilt and swivel mount lets you adjust your viewing angle easily, while the Transom-mount transducer is simple to install on small boats, kayaks, or canoes. Powered by replaceable AA batteries, it's completely portable for multiple-day trips. One angler shared that PiranhaMAX 4 transformed their weekend kayak fishing. They pinpointed brush piles and creek channels in minutes, boosting confidence and catches. Bonus tip: switching between clear mode and max mode sonar gives you the perfect balance of depth and detail for every scenario. It's simplicity and efficiency wrapped into one affordable fish-finding device. The benefits of the PiranhaMAX 4 go beyond catching more fish. It's about confidence, efficiency, and fun on the water. Experts praise its reliability, portability, and easy-to-read display, making it perfect for entry-level anglers. Influencers note that the dual-beam sonar provides the right mix of wide coverage and precise detail, while Fish ID and alarms eliminate guesswork. Users rave about portable AA battery operation, tilt swivel mount flexibility, and quick setup. One user said, "I installed it in under an hour and was marking fish immediately." Imagine gliding through your favorite lake, confident in where fish are holding, adjusting sonar modes, and getting instant alerts when fish are near. Curious which feature would boost your success the most? Comment below. The tactile satisfaction of watching the screen reveal underwater contours, combined with knowing every fish-holding spot is visible, enhances your connection with the water. Whether from a kayak, canoe, or small boat, PiranhaMAX 4 ensures you spend less time guessing and more time catching. Its affordability and simplicity are perfect for parents, weekend anglers, or anyone wanting a straightforward, high-performing fish finder without unnecessary bells and whistles. Limited stock. Join thousands of anglers who've upgraded their fishing game with Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4. Don't wait. Secure yours today and enjoy dual-beam sonar, Fish ID, depth alerts, and portability for all-day adventures. Click now and unlock a simple yet powerful tool that makes finding fish easier and more fun. Ready to turn guesswork into bites and frustration into successful trips? Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your small boat or kayak fishing today.